Let me know, Gary. How'd you hear about us?
Through Rick Douglas, actually. I have been on this journey for regaining my hair, and I found Rick's videos.
Nice.
He became my inspiration, and I felt like I had to kind of pursue the path of super hair pieces from there.
Okay, so you said you've obviously you worn systems before, so give me a little bit of information of why you're looking to change. Like, what are you not happy with your current provider?
Yeah, no, currently, being that I'm still kind of new to this, I'm like 6 months in.
Mhm.
I really wanted to find a place locally that would just handle everything. The bottom line is it is becoming very cost inefficient.
Okay.
It's pretty expensive going to a place to have them do everything for you.
Mhm.
And I find that I'm starting to do a lot of the maintenance on my own.
Okay.
I feel confident through Rick's videos and a lot of other videos out there that I can start taking this on my own. And that's where, I naturally wanted to look for a company that provides a lot of options and provides a good product. So that's how I got from, having somebody do everything to getting to the point where I want to do it by myself.
Coming to systems, what are you ideally looking for?
Ideally, I love to do exposed hairline, but you can see when you're working with lace, exposed is not always the best. But I do like the breathability of the lace. So I don't know if there's anything that has kind of a hybrid with a poly front and lace in the middle. That would be my ideal, but I am willing to, give whatever a shot, and I'm looking for your.
Yeah. Okay, so now we do have ones that you do have where you have the poly and you can have the lace in the middle. That's not going to help for your front, the exposed front hairline though, because it's going to actually look more obvious
Okay.
than less obvious. Now, what are you using attachment wise for your system?
With this one, I'm using Walker Ultra Hold tape.
That might be one thing you can change. I find when somebody is wearing a lace front system, immediately everybody goes to tape. However, if you use, say, the Ghost Bond with a lace front, it's going to sit flatter on the head. It's not going to have that kind of thickness that you see at that front edge, because it's going to sit straight on the head, which is on the actual Ghost Bond attachment at the front. And it changes the game on how nice it looks.
Okay.
As for our systems, I have one that is all lace, but it is essentially, the poly is from temple to temple. It's not at the back. Your size, like size of your area, what
I
are
measured
you?
this morning. It's
Yeah.
about 6 wide and front to back was 7.
So this is our M116, small. So this one has the Swiss lace, and it has the poly perimeter at the back.
Okay.
Or another option, and I just like to put it out there, is going with all lace. And then you can customize it to any size you want.
Mm-hmm.
That's another option.
I don't think having all lace is going to be that much different than having the poly back.
Okay. I mean, you know what? There's nothing wrong with trying it out. I mean, everybody is different on what they prefer. I have a lot of clients that really like these systems.
Great.
Color.
Color, yes. Right now, I am with like I think it's a 60% gray.
Okay.
Because there's, I'll come in close so you can see this. It's like, it's gray with a little bit of like a brownish black in there. Because my temples, I do have a little bit of that salt and pepper going on there. And I think density is a light to a medium.
Do you like the 60% gray right now? You're happy with that?
I do, yeah. I get a lot of compliments on how natural it looks and how it matches my bio hair, which is not thick. It's pretty thin over there, but I'm getting a lot of good comments on the blend.
All right, Gary, well, thank you so much for coming in and doing this consult with me today. And I hope, my information helped you all. And we will get that system out to you as soon as possible, and then we'll go from there.
Thank you, Tara. I really appreciate everything you've done today. Thank you.